How to remove link from TikTok bio. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. You can edit and view your profile information from here. If you want to remove the link in your bio, then tap on the Edit Profile as shown. You can edit your information such as your name, photo, username, bio, etc. Go over to Links. Select the account you want to unlink from TikTok, for example, YouTube. Then tap on Unlink. You have now successfully unlinked this account from TikTok. So, by following these simple steps, you can go ahead and easily remove link from TikTok.